My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix TradingView lagging problem, speed up the charts and fix freezing. So fix one is optimize your web browser. So guys, browser issue are the common culprit for web application lag. So clear your browser caches and ensure your browser is up to date to the latest version. Also disable unnecessary extension and try using TradingView in the incognito and the private window, and enable hardware acceleration in your browser settings. After that, adjust TradingView chart setting. So reduce the number of the indicator and apply it to the charts. Lower the refresh rate for the real-time data if applicable, and remove any complex drawing object or the studies you don't need, and switch to the smaller chart type like bars or the lines. Then try to using darker theme, which can sometimes reduce the strain. Disable instant order placement if actively trading. Improve your internet connection. A stable and the fast internet connection is crucial for the real data streaming, and perform a speed test to check your internet bandwidth. Restart your router and modem to refresh the connection, and switch to the wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. Ensure no other devices are heavily consume bandwidth. Contact your internet service provider if speeds are constantly low. Temporarily disable your VPN if you are using one. Optimize system resources. So close all the unnecessary application running in the background. Check your computer task manager or actively monitor for high resource uses. Ensure your computer has sufficient RAM for the smooth operation, and update your graphic driver to the latest version available. Then guys, restart your computer to clear the temporary files and process. Run and quick scan for the malware or the issue on the systems. Then guys, re-evaluate your TradingView access. Log out your TradingView account and log back in. If using the desktop app, uninstall and reinstall it completely, and check the trial trading status page for any server issues. Then try to accessing the TradingView on your different devices. Then clear your operating system DNS cache, and consider the temporary disabling your firewall or the antivirus to test for the interface. Okay. Another thing is platform specify step. For if you are a web browser, so open your browser, select the clear cookies data and cache files. Go for the extension to toggle off. If you are a desktop user, so on window app feature, select the option of uninstall. On Mac, drag TradingView from application to trans, and download and install the latest version from the official TradingView website, and ensure the app is running with the administrator privilege if knows window. Okay, so these are the things that you need to remember for during using the TradingView. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.